Howdy there, Flummies. My name is Beef, and today I'm going to be teaching you the behind the back color switch. Your prerequisites for this move are going to be a forwards vertical 8 and a backwards vertical 8. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to turn around and show you behind me because that's where the color switch happens. So we're gonna have you start just doing 2 beats. I want you to start here, knuckles out like you're punching someone. We're going 1, 2, our knuckles are to our butt. With the other hand, you are going to then knuckles to butt. This is how you are going to grip the star, like you're getting arrested. From here, with your other hand, you are then going to take your thumb and brush it against your body, bring it outwards, and go into a backwards vertical 8. And that is where your color switch happens. So again, we're going down, down, knuckles to butt, thumb out, and backwards vertical 8. Ta-da! That is how you do the behind the back color switch. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Otherwise, give a like and subscribe.